Frame Theory 3D, we're passionate about 3D printing and education. With this in mind, we're pleased to introduce you to our brand new product, the SongBird 3D printable turntable kit. We designed the SongBird kit as a tool to teach the core principles of 3D printing and to facilitate the learning of the skills you need to embark on your own 3D printing projects. Not only will you learn the skills you need to begin your 3D printing journey, but you'll be left with a unique and functional turntable that you've built yourself. We want to challenge the perception that 3D printing can only be used for rapid prototyping, and that you can make premium quality products using 3D printing in your own home.
The SongBird has been meticulously designed to make sure the build is as simple and enjoyable as possible. The electronics are completely solderless, none of the printed parts require support, and the instructions guide you through the core principles of 3D printing. We've worked with engineers to design our very own precision-turned brass bush bearing and a high-quality aluminium frame for optimum yet affordable stability and performance.